I was so disappointed in myself. I was like, I cannot believe this is happening. And then I was like, you know what?
Good morning. Time is currently 6:25. No, 6:26 a.m. And I've been waking up early since like 7 days. Am I in frame? If I'm not in frame, I'm sorry. But good morning. And I woke up and I was like, I'm gonna vlog today. Drink your water in the morning, and then what I like to have, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know, moringa with warm water. Look, all the superfoods are here, and moringa is like here, so that's why moringa. Is it worth waking up early in the morning? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's just that the one that wake up thing that you have to do, that is hard. But I think in the morning, you know, that when that alarm rings and you have these two voices, one is like, oh, let me snooze and like let me sleep, and the other is like, oh, I have to wake up, I have to wake up. And there's almost this like negotiation sort of happening, and which one will win. And I've noticed every time you listen to the second one, which is like, I have to wake up, I have to wake up, I've realized that the first one, which was like just 5 minutes and just 2 minutes, that like that voice was lying to you. There's no just 5 minutes and just 2 minutes. But yeah, I sort of oscillate between the two, and I've realized that it's just a negotiation happening in the mind. So it's best to know that the one that is telling you to stop and the one that is telling you to not do it, it's lying. It's lying to you. You should probably go ahead and do it. Anyway, I'm gonna go take a shower immediately and be back. Fresh out the shower. Was that a good transition or not? It could be really bad, but anyway. A little bit of candle. Sunscreen we are gonna do later when there's actual sun. I'm gonna put out my workout fit because I'm going to the gym after 1.5 months. 1.5 months! I'm very excited, but not right now. I'm gonna be very a little gym squat and just a little tank top. Yep. Let's go. Tummy is doing good now. I'm so hungry. Let's have breakfast. But before that, I just wanted to say hi. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Smile. Yes, that is my real name. And I live in Bombay. I live alone, and I started making content full time January of this year. So I don't really understand all of this algorithm and all of that, But there's one thing that has always bothered me, which is like 80% of you that are watching me right now are not subscribed. And when I think about it, I'm like, yeah, there are so many times like I watch, people's videos and I'm not subscribed. That doesn't mean I don't like that person, okay? But it's just that I forget to subscribe. So I'm just like reminding you, in case you're watching and you're not subscribed, check right now. Because like what happens is that I put a lot of energy and time and effort and love into making these videos. And when I look at my Instagram has a lot more followers versus my YouTube. So
All characters lost to
and really like The content on YouTube is so much better, according to me, if you ask me, okay? And then I'm like, maybe I'm not reminding people enough to subscribe, so maybe that's why they're not subscribed. So please subscribe. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. And if you don't like me later on, you can always unsubscribe. It's not like one and done rule ki ab kar liya to kar liya. But yeah, yeah, that's what I wanted to say, and it's just been like, even during meditation, I'm like, please remember to ask them to subscribe. But in case, you want me to make a certain video, you want me to, ki, you want to know whatever you want to know, you can ask me in the comments. I would actually want to know, because so that this channel is like more personalized to you, right? You actually get to see the videos that you want to see, and yeah, that makes my decision making also a lot easier, because every time I have to think of a video, I'm like, what will they want to see? But if you tell me what you want to see, I can already make that. So do that and let's make breakfast. This is what we have for breakfast. We've got omelette, we've got a toast, we've got fresh blueberries, and a very big cup of chai. This is the only chai I have the whole day. So I have like a big cup, okay? And I thought this was the vibe for today. So I got this cup. And I'm also trying this peanut butter. And I have to say, I really like it, although it feels like really sweet. Yeah, it's very sweet. So if you like sweet peanut butter, you can try this. But if you don't, then that's not for you. And that is the breakfast. Woo. And now we eat, and after that, we go to the gym. The fact that I'm so excited to go to the gym, that should tell you the kind of person that I am, okay? And my kind of people, we should not be falling the way that I fell. I felt really, really sick, and I don't even know how much like workout will I actually be able to do. But I'll try. Can you see me? Wait. ऐसे करना था ना. Now you can see me. So, yeah, I don't know what kitna workout I'll be able to do also not. But anyway, first we eat. We don't think about that. We'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. The first thing I wrote, I'll read it out, okay? Today is going to be an amazing day. Bring me a miracle I'm ready to receive. And every time I I wrote a lot of other stuff, but you don't need to hear that. Every time I also wake up, now this first thing I do when I wake up, I'm like, today is going to be an amazing day. Bring me a miracle I'm ready to receive. And that just like makes me feel happy. Try it out, okay? If you sleep alone, that is, I mean, if even if you don't, it's fine, try it out. I think when we speak these things out loud, it makes us believe in it more, and when we write these things, it makes us believe it in more, right? So try it out.
Okay, here's what happened. I walked in and everybody was like, "Oh my god, you look sick. Did you lose weight?" And I was like, "No, girl. I did not lose weight, but I lost all my muscles." And as women, it is so difficult to build muscle. Like the amount of creatine and protein and just the amount of hard work that I've been doing the past 1 year, all gone. All gone, because the past 1.5 months I've been suffering from a back injury. I got a slip disc, I got shingles, my immunity crashed, all of that gone. And the thing that really shocked me was that after just 10 minutes of stretching, I was exhausted. And I did not want to let this guy down. He's Lalit, he's my coach. We've been training for so many years, especially the past 1 year. We focused so much on strength and we had such a good improvement. And now I was like, now I cannot even do a mountain climber. I cannot do a basic burpee. I cannot do basic body exercises. Like, come on. I mean, body weight exercises. And I remember the thought was that I am so disappointed in myself. I cannot believe that this is happening. And then I was like, you know what? Snap out of it. Just snap the F out of it. First of all, if you're trying to compare, how about 1 month back you were in bed crying in pain? How about that? And now you're here, you're at least moving. And secondly, there's something called muscle memory. We'll get it back. And thirdly, it does not matter how much strength you build. What the only thing that matters is that you are here today and this is where you're at. And even if you're getting a little bit better than yesterday, it's okay. And this is for anybody who's trying to get back to their routine. If you've fallen off your routine and you're trying to get back, the only thing that matters is that you're getting a little bit better than yesterday. Even if you're improving 1% than yesterday, it's okay. A win is a win. A win is a win. And the bottom line is that if I lost everything that I had built today, I can still rebuild it over and over again. Why? Because I have me. Because I know how to. And that's it. Once you've done it one time, you can always do it again. And as long as you have yourself, it's all good. Okay, it's much later in the day. I think it's about 2:30. No, actually, it could be 3 p.m. I had my lunch. I had like a quick lunch meeting, but I did that and I also shot my short form content. If you don't know, I upload a reel and a short every day. I'm really going hard at it. When I say full time content creator, I'm like at it. Like, yes, I'll do it. And yeah, so it's in the afternoon now. I think I'm just going to edit this vlog and I will try to post it today, but if I can't, then I'm going to post it like tomorrow morning for sure. And yeah, I really, really hope that you enjoyed this vlog. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but if you are still watching, then comment. Keep pushing through the pain, because that's what I did during my workout today. I was like, I need to do anything, something I'll do anyway. And yeah, if you like this vlog, if you want to see more of such vlogs, let me know. I will shoot more and I'll upload more. And I also want to know, like, tell me who you are. Like, I want to know who you are, where you're from, what you do, so that, I mean, I want to connect. I think the one of the reasons that I really love making videos is because I feel like I get to connect with people, just people who may share the same thoughts, people who may share the same struggles. I don't know. And for a very, 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 very long time, I've just wanted to inspire people. Uh, I left home when I was 19 years old and I came to Bombay. And then I was obviously young and I had no clue about what it means to inspire people. But even then, I was like, I want to do something that is going to be, like inspirational to somebody always. And obviously, then I started modeling, and then I started acting, then I started painting. And all this while, I feel like one thing that has kept me going is this. I just want to connect to people. I want to inspire people. I want to help people. And yeah, that's what I'm trying to do now also in my content. So और क्या बोलना है मुझे? Hmm. There is something, but I don't know if I can say that right now. Actually, I would rather reveal that in the next video. I would rather reveal that in the next video because it's very exciting. It's very exciting. But anyway, अभी कुछ पता नहीं है तो कुछ बोलूंगी नहीं. That's it. I love you so much. Just remember, you're the most amazing, beautiful, wonderful human being, and here is a Kala Tika for you.